Weekends like this are all about celebrating each of you and the collective pride of our school. Your love and gratitude for Mercersburg are expressed each time you come home.
It is moments like this that I feel inspired to keep having touch points with this community.
I see all the people that have helped me create the life I have now, so I feel really connected to this place, and I just feel at peace when I come back.
It's always great to see classmates, and it's wonderful to see familiar faces as well as some new ones.
Mercersburg has played such a pivotal role in my life. You have an opportunity to live with people of different nationalities, different cultures, and by having the opportunity to come to Mercersburg, it really gave me an opportunity to be able to recognize that people are people, but also that I could be myself.
You know, it's been said that you should chase your dreams, but always know that the road will lead you home again. And so it has for me tonight. Thank you all.
Reunion Weekend Class Cup for the best tent goes to the class of 1978.